group of cafes and gelaterias and milk bars. So they're all food and beverage, but more than that, they're about fun. One's in Ashgrove, two are in Kedron. One of the dirty little secrets about food and beverage and hospitality is people just want consistency. And if you don't have processes and systems, then you can't give your customers a consistent experience. The fact that you can update it all the time is quite remarkable. Young people were using other platforms like Facebook. I have young people working for me, and parents don't want their kids using those platforms, but they're not going to object to something like Way We Do because it's a corporate tool, it's not social media, so it's more professional. I love the name because it means the team own it. They think it's their platform and their systems. And we say this is the way we do things, and it's a very simple thing, but it tells you what the product is and it makes your team own the policies. Terrific. It's always nice to be surrounded by business people because usually you're only surrounded by your team, so you don't hear perspectives from other businesses. Having someone to solve problems on the day, to be able to convey frustrations or technological issues and have someone solve them right here and now, that's terrific. I think I spend enough time on screens to come and spend time with people. We all spend so much time on screens, so I much prefer this, yes. Absolutely, absolutely love this. You've got experts, then you've got experts in other businesses, then some of you have similar frustrations, then another person here will say, oh well, I solved that by doing this, and suddenly it occurs to you that that might be applicable to your industry. So yeah, really, really worthwhile.